Heartbreak. It's one of those universal experiences that leaves us feeling completely lost and alone. It's a heavy weight pressing down, making every single step feel like a monumental task. If you've been there, you know that in those moments of deep pain, you start searching for answers, for a way out of the darkness. The emotional turmoil can be overwhelming, like being caught in a storm with no escape. Loneliness and despair creep in, and it's hard to see a way forward. You might feel like you're drowning in sorrow, unable to find a lifeline. It's so easy to believe things will never get better. The isolation feels suffocating, and you're left wondering if you'll ever find your way back to happiness. The pain shifts from a dull ache to a sharp sting, and it feels like you're walking through a dense fog, unsure of what's ahead. In this darkness, it's easy to lose hope. The pain can be so intense that it feels like it's defining you. But what if I told you there's a place where you can find comfort, hope, and healing? The book of Psalms is filled with messages of hope and restoration. They're like a warm hug on a cold day, reminding us that we are not alone. The Psalms speak directly to our hearts, offering words of comfort and solace. For example, Psalm 34 tells us, "The righteous person may have many troubles, but the Lord delivers him from them all." What a powerful reminder that we're not alone in our struggles. The Psalms acknowledge our pain, but they also point us toward a place of healing. Psalm 147 says, "He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds." This is a beautiful promise that God is in the business of mending broken hearts. He's not a distant observer. He is actively involved in our lives, working to bring us healing and restoration. One psalm that really stands out to me is Psalm 30. It says, "Lord my God, I called to you for help, and you healed me." This is such a powerful declaration of faith. The writer is saying they called out to God, and he responded with healing. The psalm continues, "You, Lord, brought me up from the realm of the dead. You spared me from going down to the pit." It's like the writer is saying, "You saved me from the very edge of despair." It's a poignant reminder that God is always working to bring us back from the brink. The Psalms offer us a powerful message of hope and healing. They remind us that God is actively working to bring us comfort and restoration. As we reflect on these verses, we're reminded that God is the one who can heal our broken hearts. If you've been through a similar experience, I'd love to hear about it.